So how do we go about, let's say, when we create a chimney IC on the top?
Yeah.
So what are the things that we have to keep an eye on?
Yeah, well, for example, let's say you talked about the chimney. So let's say this chimney is starting from this level. In this case, perhaps not, but let's say it's starting from this level. Now you have two options to do that. One thing is, which is the obvious way when the chimney is made out of brick, is that you actually draw the chimney. In that case, it will be part of
walls,
the walls. In that case, it will be part of the walls, and it solves itself naturally. But if it's something else, you can use the objects. We actually do have a few chimneys. So I just search for a chimney object here, and these are parametrical objects. You can say that, okay, you would like to use this chimney, and this should be with these sort of values, with a certain height, and so on. And then you just pick it up and you just move it around, and you say, okay, this should fall into this wall, into this specific location. Now, by default, the chimneys are, I mean, the objects, because this is actually an object. If I select it, I can tell that that's an object. Objects are not interfering with the walls. That's not their natural behavior. But if it's something that should interfere with the wall, it should take out of a wall part.
Yes.
In that case, I can instruct the object. Okay, I can say that, okay, this object should be inserted into the wall, and in that case it solves the volume of the wall automatically.
So your calculations will be much more accurate.
Yeah, they are accurate now, because this space is not occupied by a wall and the chimney as well, but it's only occupied by the chimney object itself. So in the same way I do this, I can do the same thing with columns. But columns are a bit different, because they are mostly structural supportive items. So when I select a circular column, or let's just go with another one, I think a rectangular will be much better. So if I select it and I just place it here, so it automatically
they cut their place in it.
Is inserted into the wall, because that's the by default behavior of that sort of item.